orange poppies. They're massive. There's some red ones too. What's the orange ones I'm filming? Clematis. Look at these little guys circling the tree. Spiders love these bushes. One of those weird days today. The weather's not sure what it wants to do. It keeps raining and then going sunny. It's just one of those days. I love this trellising. Got all these beautiful roses on it. And at the right time of year, it's got honeysuckle here too. Beautiful. On all this field stretches as far as the eye can see, literally, and you can't have horses here. What? Be the habitat of lots of different insects, this wood. This is an Acer, I was going to say an Acer tree, but it's more like an Acer bush, and you can tell it from its obvious resemblance to Canadian maple. And this is a red variant. You get red Acers too. They're oriental, I believe, originally. These ones are called bleeding hearts, and you can see why. They're in a heart shape. There's drips coming out the bottom of them. Beautiful, look at that. Have you ever seen such shapes? That's a song thrush, that is there. Not making any noise at the moment, but they have beautiful calls. See right up there on the top of that house. Oh, that's a big one now. That there is a male blackbird. You can tell it's a blackbird because, well, it's black and it's got a yellow beak. The females, they're more of a brown colour, but with the still quite a yellow beak. It's obviously a man-made step, but I just want to show you how nature can always beat man-made stuff. Bird graffiti, you see? Birds being along and graffitied in the concrete, that is awesome. It's got like strange little like tendrils coming off it. I think that's the seed pod there. I think it's the seed pod. It looks like an alien plant, doesn't it? Looks alien.
Preview. ShockwaveSound.com. Preview. ShockwaveSound.com. Preview.
Lots of Maggies around here today. They've got a lot of personality, have magpies. However, they're quite aggressive and they make such horrible noises sometimes. The noises are just abrasive on the ear.
ShockwaveSound.com.
Oh, there's that bird again. Yes, there he is. Wow, it's a kestrel. It's a kestrel, I believe. Wow, that's a wild bird of prey right there. Oh, I'm really glad I came over now because I've managed to catch this bird of prey. Oh, hello. Hello. Yeah, lots of dog walkers over here as well. Is it? No, there he is again. Oh, he's just landed in that tree over there. We're going to back off. We're going to start heading back over to the trees. And hopefully he'll show again. This is what we used to call cuckoo spit when we were at school. We used to call it cuckoo spit. I actually believe that the plant excretes that. It comes from the plant itself, it's not spit at all. But it really does look quite disgusting, to be honest. It very much does look like spit, and there is a lot of it on this patch of grass here. It's everywhere, absolutely everywhere. Contrary to popular belief, these do not prove whether you like butter or not. I'm seeing quite a lot of butterflies around here today, and that is making me very, very pleased. And there's that
Shockwave
magpie
sound.
noise I mentioned earlier. Horrible.
Preview.
That's odd. This one's pure yellow with what look like pea pods. Look like pea pods. They really do. And then I think, no, this isn't the same plant, but it looks very similar, and it has red on it. But look from a distance, you'd think they were the same plant. See?
Shockwave sound.
And as you get a little closer, you'll see this one's got red on the petals. Very nice, very nice. And of course, man has to spoil everything again with his filthy rubbish. Same old story, no matter where I go. Could be as beautiful as you like, but has to be spoiled by lazy people. So all it takes is to put the rubbish in your bag or in your pocket and throw it away when you get the chance. All it takes.
ShockwaveSound.com. That yellow is so vibrant.
back to the monkey puzzle tree again, but if you can see on the end of the pines, little pine cones. You see the different coloured tips? They remind me very much of pine cones. If you look at the texture of this thing, it's quite rough and quite spiky, to be honest. Not too sharp, but you can feel it. And it looks like little pine cones coming on the end. I'm not sure what process it's going through at the moment. If you know, please leave a comment. Ah, look at the purpley red coloration on these leaves. Funky colours. This here is an Acer tree, and you can tell it because of its. Oh,
Sorry.
I was making a video then. I'm glad I got that actually. I made me jump out my skin, that did.
Sorry.
I got that on video a little bit. No worries.
How much is that noise is that bush making?
I know.